Hello everyone, it's your man Mickey. Yes, you can call me Mickey. Welcome to another fun video about grammar. Okay, so today we will discuss the difference between two words, maybe and probably. Now these two words are often used interchangeably, and people often don't think they're different, but there is. So let's get into it and break it down.
Break it down.
First, let's talk about the word maybe. It basically means perhaps or it is possible. It gives the idea that something could happen or not happen. There can be uncertainty. So when you say maybe, you are giving something a type of possibility, but nothing more sure than that. Perhaps or maybe is used when something or someone is uncertain or not sure. We're talking about 40% to 60% chance. There's really no difference between perhaps and maybe. Both words can be used interchangeably. Okay, examples. Number one, I'm going to the beach this weekend. Perhaps or maybe you can come with me. Number two, maybe or perhaps we will see you at the party. Number three, we really want a car and maybe or perhaps we buy a car. Number four, there were maybe perhaps 100 people at the party last night. So another example of this might be if someone asks you, maybe we should go to the movies tonight. So in this situation, the person asking the question isn't certain if going to the movies would be a good idea. So they are leaving it up to you to decide. Okay, now let's move on to the word probably. This word suggests that an event has a high chance of happening, or something is likely to occur. It is more certain than maybe, okay? Essentially, you are suggesting that the probability of that thing happening is way higher than when you use maybe. So, probably means that there's a good chance of something happening. We're talking about 70 to 95% chance. Here are some examples. Number one, I'm probably going to the beach this weekend. Number two, it's probably going to rain on Saturday. Number three, we are probably going on a trip to Asia next year. Another example of this might be if someone said, we should probably go to the movies tonight. In this situation, it's likely that the person suggesting this has a good idea of what they want to do and is ready to commit to going to the movies that night. So, as you can see, there is a difference between maybe and probably, and it's important to keep in mind when using grammar. So, if you want to express that something might or might not happen, go with maybe. But if you are more certain and more sure about it and think it's likely to happen, then go for probably. So that concludes our discussion on the difference between maybe and probably. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks you for watching and see you in the next one. It's your man Mickey. Peace out.